Hey guys, my name is Fernando and I'll be walking you through how to use an auto-updating dongle to update your Sol-Ark inverter software. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Wi-Fi settings in your computer at the bottom right. You're going to want to hit the icon with the Wi-Fi symbol and you're going to want to select the Wi-Fi network with the name Sol-Ark Update-O-Matic. The Wi-Fi password for the network is limitless power, all lowercase. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, then you're going to want to check the status. Make sure that it says no internet under the Sol-Ark Update-O-Matic. Then you're going to want to go to your browser, go to the search bar, and type in 192.168.4.1. Once you get there, it should look something like this. And then you'll want to go under File List System, hit the Reload Table button. You should see some files come up there. Delete all of them that are applicable. All right, and then once you delete those files, then you'll want to hit the Reload Table button again. You should see a notification pop up on your browser that says no file found. That means that everything went well. If you see the files pop up under File List System again, don't worry. Just hit the Reload Table button again and they should go away. You'll then want to go to under the firmware uploader, hit the choose file button. This will make your file explorer show up. You'll want to navigate to where your update files are located. They are the .bin extensions. And you'll want to hit the COM file and open that one first. You should hit the upload button and then give it some time to let it update. Once the file is finished uploading, you should see the browser show an OK at the top left. And also the two lights on the dongle will be light up. Once that is done, hit the back button or go back to the address 192.168.4.1, hit reload, and you should see the file under the file list systems. Then you'll want to go to the firmware uploader, choose file, and select the file that does not start with COM or MARUU, and you'll want to open that and upload it as well. All right, once you see that the two files are under the file list system, you will want to go to your search bar and type in the same address, but put /OTA. You'll see a new screen pop up like this. You'll want to choose the file, and you'll see your file explorer show up as previous. And you'll want to select the one that says MARUU, and then hit upload. And you hit upload. It will take some time for the process to complete fully. To track how it is going, you're going to want to look at your dongle. When the red light on the dongle is the only one shining, the process is done for uploading your OTA file. The dongle will restart afterwards and start flashing a green light, and then you will see a solid green light appear once the process is fully completed. This can take upwards to 5 minutes or so. Once the dongle has restarted, it will start pushing the update to the inverter. When the inverter update starts, you'll notice at the top left of the LCD screen that an A and a number will show up. It will start at A0 and count up until A335. Once it reaches the 335, the first part of the update will be completed and it will change into a B and a number, and it will go from B0 to B156. Once it reaches B156, your updates will be completed on the inverter itself and the inverter will restart. Once you've completed these processes, then you should go back to the 192 screen just to double check that everything is correct. Look at the file list system and see that the files that you uploaded, the names match accordingly to what's listed there. You should also look at the UN version and make sure that it lists the MARUU file that you had as well. And then if everything matches up, you should be good to go. If you learned something, please like the video and be sure to subscribe for future informative content. Hit the bell as always to be notified whenever we release new videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.